I want you to think about all the times you've made a decision to buy something before you actually bought it. And I can tell you with complete certainty it's 100% of the decisions that you've made. We all make a decision twice. We all are like, hey, I'm going to buy this. And then at some point, it's different amounts of time, will pass before we actually make the purchase. Even if it's something as simple as a pack of gum in the store, you made the decision to buy it right when you saw it there on the thing. Then you grabbed it, then you put it on the counter, and then you bought it. Okay, that's the most simplest way I can say this. But now I want you to take this in terms of your business and what you're selling. Most of your prospects, in fact, all of your prospects and buyers, at some point, they're going to make that decision before you complete the transaction. This is one of those golden nuggets that is right under all of our noses and none of us use it. Simply at certain checkpoints, whenever you feel like it, check in with them. Have you made a decision yet? Right? Have you made a decision yet? This question will make you so much money. You're going to find oftentimes, yeah, I've made it. Great. Let's wrap this up. Then you don't even need to close them. Just simply ask them, have they made a decision yet? And you're going to find that a lot of times they have and that they're ready to go. If that point has occurred and you don't check in with them, there's only one thing that can happen in that distance, however long it is, between them mentally making the decision and you completing the transaction, is you're going to talk yourself out of the sale. Have you ever had somebody talk themselves out of the sale? Maybe it was a pair of shoes that you were trying on. Maybe it was a suit. Maybe it was something as big as a car or a house. And you're like, I really want this. And then the salesperson keeps talking and you get freaked out about the fact that you're going to have flood insurance. Okay? And then you're like, maybe we should look a little over from the river, right? I don't want to have to deal with flood insurance. They talked themselves out of a sale. All they had to say was, have you made a decision yet? Yes, we love this house. Let me wrap it up for you.